How to use two same app in Samsung. There are actually two ways to do this. The simpler way would be to simply open up settings, then simply go to advanced features. Then from here you can simply go to dual messenger. From dual messenger here you can see available apps. So if the app that you want is actually supported in the list of available apps, so if I want to create, let's say, another Telegram app, so one is already installed over here, I can choose to install another one. It will ask me to install a second copy of Telegram, so I can click on the install button to do so. This is one of the features to do it. The other way is, if the app that you want is not supported inside dual messenger, the other way you can do it is by using a feature called secure folder. So you can simply use secure folder to hide any of your personal documents, including apps. So what we can do is we can open secure folder, we can tap the plus icon and add the app that we want inside secure folder, which could be, let's say, Facebook or Telegram, the other ones, and you can click on the add button and then you'll be able to use it from inside secure folder. If you have not yet set up secure folder, I would recommend that you watch our other video on how you can use it. You don't have to install any third-party app. You can just search for secure folder on your settings and start actually setting it up. And once you've done this, you will be able to use two apps in same Samsung device. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.